G'day, this is Jason here from ForeXPipSnager2. I just want to first apologize that I didn't put out the video on Tuesday. Had some technical problems with the website. It was down for a few days. Sorry about that for people that may have been trying to pick up their copy of the ForeXPipSnager2. So here I am today, and we're going to cover right from Friday till today. So we're going to cover a whole week here, so this video might be a little long. Um, also would like to say, for those of you, who like these videos, please hit the like button below the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really prefer if you could do that now, right now, before we get into the video. I'd appreciate it. Okay, so here we go. So we're looking at the pound yen. Geez, my thing moved a bit. Anyway, we're looking at the pound yen. I don't think you can see it here. It's kind of cut off here. Something moved here. We're looking at the pound yen 15-minute chart. Okay, let's go. So basically, we had once we go up, what do we look to do? We look to sell. Once it goes all the way back down, what do we look to do? We look to buy. That's right. Swing up, swing down. You buy the low and sell high. That's how you do trade Forex successfully. Same with any market. Okay? Some people just can't grasp it for some reason. They want to buy high and sell low, and that's wrong. Okay, so you would have got in after you broke through this major support here, right here, okay? Stop would have been 70 pips, and you definitely got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio, okay? So it didn't really go up very high, go down very much compared to the big move before it. So I'd probably still be looking to sell, because look how much we went down, right? 340 pips. It only went down a fraction of that. So, I wouldn't have done this trade. Although you could have done it, you could have tried, you never know, could have shot back up. So even if you did do the trade, there's not much of a loss, and I'll show you that. Here is the resistance right here, okay? So broke through there right here with this candle, pulled back. You would have bought right there. The most you would have got is 13 pips before it turned around, came back up. So when it came back up here, what did you lose? You lost 2 pips if you would have got out right there. Okay? Now you definitely wouldn't have done that trade because they sold off of this resistance right here. Okay? So, if you would have sold now here, once you broke through the support, right here, the stop is 42 pips. It went down 60 pips or so. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, now on this day, very choppy day, we're still probably looking, no, we're looking to buy now because it's went down 2 days in a row. We're looking to buy now, okay? So somewhere right in here, you would have got long. Oh, hold on, let me draw my support and resistance. Got to draw that, I almost forgot. There. Look at that, I wouldn't have done the trade here. No way, I wouldn't have bought there, okay? Then it came down here, I wouldn't have done the sell because it came down for 2 days. And as you can see, look at how they traded off of that. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then finally the 6th time it came through. But I still wouldn't have sold it. I'm looking for a buy because we came down for 2 days before that, excuse me. So anyway, if you would have got in this trade right here, it went up 24 pips. You had 47 pip stop. Wasn't good, man. After it would have went down here and came back up and didn't cross down, I would have got out somewhere in here, break even, or maybe made 5 pips. And that would have been the end of the day for that. And then there's another hell day here on the pound yen. Holy jeez, they're just taking their turn with this pair, screwing people. That's what they love to do. Okay, so still looking to buy. I would have bought it right here. Okay, up it went 34 pips. There, you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Big deal, a big 34 pips. Here is the resistance right here. So I wouldn't have got in there. There's resistance there. Would have got in here once it closed above it right here. And all that it did is go up this, it only went up 25 pips and a 34 pip stop. So you would have probably lost on this. They would have come down and got your stop. You know, after myself, after I see a day like this, okay, like over here, I wouldn't have traded here. Okay, I would have seen that. Okay, they're screwing people. Leave this pair alone, because that's what they do. They take their turns on different pairs to screw you. That's why no one can ever get a grasp on this unless you have inside information. And believe me, there's people who have it. There's people who have it. And they know which pair to trade, and they know where to get out and get in. But I shouldn't be saying that. Okay, but anyway, you got your major resistance right here. You can see you can draw the trend line like this. You would have got in right here somewhere, and up it went 79 pips. That was today, 66 pip stop. Now let's look at the pound dollar. We go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days to Friday. So right here, we draw our line in the sand. Came back up. Right here, it would have sold 75 pips, and it went down 80 something. So you would have got your 1-to-1 on Friday. And then you're looking to buy on this day. So you would have bought right here because it went through the resistance. Only went up 22 pips, and then they took it down, because that's what they love to do. Make it look like they're taking it up, then they take it down. Or make it look like they're taking it down, then they take it up. That's what they love to do, to play games with people, and you got to be aware of it. So if you're willing to trade it, you know, you trade it, and that's it. The next trade would have been short right here, and it went down 42 pips with a 43 pip stop, so almost hit the 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. And here's another prime example of taking out the stops, taking it back up, then taking it down here. See, it's just a big slop chop, you know, session, and they love doing this. You know, I can say, hey, we would have bought here. This is where you would have bought. Went up 37 pips. Our stop was 14, so you'd have got 2-to-1 win-loss ratio there. Okay, because you're looking to buy. Because we went down 2 days, we're looking to buy over here. Okay. It's like we were looking to buy there. And then there was yesterday, right here, still looking to buy, and look, with no harm done, went up 100 pips, and continue to go up today another 40 pips. 138 pips to the top, ladies and gentlemen. That is the pound. Let's take a look at the yen now. The yen, let's go back 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh. Here is the was it the non-farm payroll this day? I think it was. And as you can see, yes it was. They took it down here, not much happened on it. And then they took it back up. You know, so from Thursday, yeah, you had a nice trend going up. Then they did this little flip-flop on Friday. If you traded it, hey, you would have got short right there. Stop would have been 18 pips. Yeah, you would have got your 18 measly pips. So we're looking to sell because we went all the way up here, looking to sell. That's why we sold there. Okay, so you would have sold right in here. Let me draw that beautiful line right there. See how I tend to draw it, if I can, at the bottom of the candle bodies. I don't like to draw it on the wicks. I like to draw it on the candle bodies. So we broke down through right here, through support, came back up. You would have sold right there. There's 30 pips and 13 pip stop. Okay, and now on this day, we're probably looking to, didn't really come down much, still looking to sell. So you would have sold somewhere in here, or here, and it didn't go anywhere, as you can see. Then they took it up. Then they took it down and back up. The bastards. I think this was no. This was the interest rate raise right here. This big wick on the top and wick on the bottom. where they raised it 0.25%, but it didn't really reflect much in the news. So anyway, you would have got looking to get short, and it went down. Okay, 100 pips from up here. You would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now over here, we're looking to buy. There's no gap present here, but here it is. Okay, so you would have got long right here. Only went up 16 pips, and then they took it below. You would have got out with about 1 pip stop, 1 pip loss on the yen. Now let's quickly look at gold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right over there. Okay, let's do it. It's right over here on this day. This was, yeah, the 8th. Yeah, this was the non-farm payroll right here. Spike, spike. How do you like? Yeah, don't like the spike, spike. So anyway, we were looking to buy on this day. So if you did this trade, you would have bought right here, if you had the balls, to buy it afterwards, and it went up 45 pips. Okay? The reason why we were looking to buy on this day and not sell, because we came all the way down here. See it? Woo woo! Just like ski slope. You just ski down, jump, woo! Ski down, jump, woo! And then ski down, jump, woo! Right down to there. Okay, I'm trying to be funny today. I'm not so funny. Let me get some water. All right. So that was Friday. You're going to make 45 pips to the top. Maximum potential 45 pips. Not saying you would have made 45 pips. The maximum potential you could have got out of it was 45 pips. But I doubt very much you could get that much, because once it shot up there, I assure you it quickly fell back down. So you had to like quick to get out and get out with 40 something pips. Okay? So we're still looking to buy here. Okay? Here is our resistance. There is the breakout. Right there's retracement. Only went up 20 pips, man. Then they took it down. So it was bad trade, and it ended in a loss. Okay. For those of you who just felt, hey, it's going to go down, well, if you got in on this one, it went down 70 pips. Let me draw you the resistance. It clearly broke through it right here. It really puts things into perspective, doesn't it, ladies and gentlemen? When you draw these lines like I do, okay, where you find this support and resistance, this is the support, this is the resistance. It really puts everything into perspective, exactly to the candle where you should have entered your trade. And that was right here. It shows you right here where it broke up through there. And right here where it shows you it broke down through here. It's just great when you use these trend lines. And believe me, they trade these trend lines. That's why when you know how to draw trend lines and you draw them correctly and in the right places at the right time, you know once it breaks out of there, that's it. There's like a 90% chance it's going to go down, it's going to go up. It's just imminent. It's going to happen. Okay? So, we're still looking to buy right here. Would have been a buy. Only went up 20 pips. Okay, and then they slammed it down again. For those who are short, well, you made pips. Went down 70 pips again. Still looking to buy, okay? Would have ignored this sell signal right here. Okay, so the next trade was right here. Boom, shakalak, you would have got in there. Your stop would have been 35 pips. Went up 131 pips, okay? They're sinking it down right now. So anyway, that's the video for today. I want to thank you for watching once again. My name is Jason Sweezy from4XPipSnager 2.0. The system that is simple but really works. It's legitimate. It's not a scam like a lot of other things out on the internet today. I have a proven track record from 8 years ago that my system still works, and this is version 2 of it. And if you were smart, you would pick up your coffee today, because if you can learn how to trade it, you go by the rules and you'll make pips. So anyway, please hit the like button below the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so the next time I do a video, it will come right at you in your email box. And also, if you didn't pick up your copy yet, please click the link below to pick up your copy. Have yourself a great day, and I don't know yet if I will be sending doing videos next week. It's getting very close to Christmas. Markets can get erratic close to Christmas. I think I'll just leave it be until the new year. So, that's 2 weeks off. Enjoy your holidays, and we'll see you in the new year. Thanks for watching.